In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Whisk. First, open your browser and go to Labs Google Effects. On the landing page, click Launch Whisk. That brings you into the Whisk workspace. Next, choose Enter Tool to open a new project so you can start creating. Inside the project, you'll see three key building blocks: Subject, Scene, and Style. Click Subject to define what your image is about, whether that's a character, an object, or a focal idea. Then click Scene to set the environment and composition, like where it happens and what's around it. Click Style to shape the visual treatment. Think realism, illustration, cinematic, or anything that sets the mood and texture. If you need instant inspiration, tap the dice icon. This automatically generates an image and fills subject, scene, and style for you, giving you a ready-made starting point. Prefer to write your idea instead? Click Enter Text, then type your prompt clearly and specifically so Whisk understands your vision. When you're happy with the description, click Generate to create the image. You can also bring in your own reference. Click Upload Image to add a photo or artwork that Whisk can use as guidance. If the subject that was generated isn't working, click Delete to remove it and reset that slot. Want to tweak wording without starting over? Click the Edit icon to refine the prompt. When you get a result you like, click Download to save a copy to your device. To expand your concept, click the plus icon to add another subject, scene, or style. This is great for exploring variations or building a richer composition. At the bottom, click the main prompt area to describe exactly what you want to do with the generated image. Refinements like lighting, color tone, camera angle, or level of detail are especially helpful here. Stuck on phrasing? Use the dice near the prompt to auto-generate a ready-to-use prompt you can edit to fit your needs. Before you generate again, click Aspect Ratio to choose the frame that fits your destination, such as square for feeds, vertical for stories, or widescreen for slides. For deeper control, click Tune to adjust how closely the output follows your prompt and chosen elements. When everything looks good, click the right-facing arrow to proceed with your prompt and apply your settings. That's the full flow. Open labs.google/FX, launch Whisk, enter the tool, set subject, scene, and style, try the dice, enter text, generate, optionally upload, delete, edit, download, add elements, refine in the prompt, set aspect ratio, fine-tune, and proceed. You're ready to create with Google Whisk.